Hello everyone, welcome to Alina's Fashion. Today we're going to talk about how to solve needle not catching up thread from the bobbin. As you can see, the sewing machine is not picking up the thread underneath the bobbin. Okay, so we're going to solve this particular issue. Okay, it's going to be solved issue as we pass through this. So the first thing, I removed the face cover. Okay, identifying our machine according to my last video. This is the face cover. I screwed out this knot and then I removed the face cover so that we're able to look at the presser foot. Okay, so I screwed and unscrewed. I unscrewed and screwed back the presser foot. Okay, and also the needle bar. This is the needle bar where it houses the needle. Okay, I unscrewed the knots there and I screwed them back again so that if there's any lapses in the screw, I know that I've done it and I'll redo it again. Okay, so I screwed and unscrewed this one also, making sure that it's well fixed. This one controls the needle and it's not picking up thread from the bobbin. Okay, even as the thread is not fixed yet, it's still not picking up the thread from the bobbin. So here is the unscrewing of the knots. Make sure the presser foot is well screwed. This is the presser foot. It lifts it up when you're done sewing. Okay, I make sure that it's well positioned. Okay, so I drew the slide open and I want to check underneath. Push the left and right slashes of the shuttle. Okay, so that I'll be able to get out the shuttle. Okay, so I was able to remove the shuttle. I was able to get it out. This is the shuttle body. This is the bobbin case. Okay, and then I fixed it back. I inserted the shuttle body. Make sure that it is well fixed. If it's not well fixed, you have different timing with the needle and the bobbin. So make sure that it is well fixed. Okay, you can see the way I'm fixing it. Fix it very well. Reinsert the shuttle race. Okay, and make sure that it is well fixed. Click it. You have to click it. Okay, the left and right lashes. There's a core pin at the side of the shuttle race. You click it. Okay, as I'm doing right now. Click the right and left. Okay, at this core pin. Okay, then you clean the shuttle of whatsoever is stuck in there. Make sure that it's clean. As you can see, it's still not picking up the thread. So you replace the bobbin. Okay, make sure that it's in the center of the shuttle race. Replace the bobbin, fix it very well. Still not picking the thread from the bobbin. Okay, the needle is still not reaching. The timing is different, still not picking the thread. So this semicircular groove, I checked it to make sure that the stitch regulator is in the right position. Remove the debris that are there. Those things that are stuck in there, remove them. Okay, I'll make sure that it's well positioned before I screw it back. Okay. It's very tiresome to discover that your machine is not working, especially when you have project at hand. But it's very tiresome. I was just thinking, how am I going to fix this? Because the last time this thing occurred, my son was rocking the sewing machine, so it mixed his timing. I had to give it out to somebody to fix it, and I paid the person a huge sum of money. This time I just said, let me try out, and it worked out. I was so happy that I could fix it up myself. I don't need to pay anybody any money. So if you stick to this video, you're going to see how I got to fix up my sewing machine. And you'll be able to do yours yourself. You don't need to take it out to anybody to do it. That's the joy. I was so happy when I got this all fixed up. Okay. So with this video, you're going to see how I did everything, and you're going to apply to your own machine if you're having the same issue. Also losing this, I made sure that everything is checked. Okay, I unscrewed up this. I make sure that whatsoever has been undone is redone. You understand? Children playing around the machine is no good. So whatsoever has been undone should be fixed. Okay. So this is the little clamp screw. I had to insert it properly. I inserted the needle properly. Okay. If your needle is not well fixed, make sure that is well inserted. We know the various ways of fixing needle. If you are a beginner, you know that your needle, the smooth part of the needle, should be facing the part of the needle. You should insert it, let it be facing the balance wheel, the smooth part, while this rough part should be facing your left. Okay, this part should be facing your left. Okay, so after inserting it, we're going to see if this needle will bring out the thread from the bobbin. That's the sole aim of this video. Okay, okay, still in the process of getting it out. You screw it. This your needle clamp. Make sure you screw it very well. The position of your needle matters a lot when you're sewing. Position your needle very well. Okay, let the smooth side be facing the smooth side be facing the balance wheel, as I told you, and this rough part be facing this other side. Make sure it is well positioned. I emphasize your needle should be well positioned so that your machine will work well. So guys, this is it. I was able to get the thread back from the bobbin. Hooray! As you can see the differences. Look at the top thread and the underneath thread. Okay, please like this video. Subscribe to my channel, Alina's Fashion. I love you all. Thank you for watching.